Google thinks it's found some answers about real estate. The online search giant's investment arm just put an internet real estate company on the map big time, giving it a $50 million cash infusion. That's after auction.com, which sells both residential and commercial real estate, came knocking on Google's door. And Google answered. Diana Olick spoke with the CEO today about the cash infusion and the company's new relationship with Google.
Do you have a list of properties for today?
When the housing market crashed, auction.com was born, holding its first live auction in 2007 and launching online the next year.
$150,000 bill.
$26 billion in residential and commercial sales later, the California-based company is getting a $50 million vote of confidence from Google Capital, an investment arm of the internet giant.
The board and management made a list of who would be the most strategic partner for auction.com, and Google was at the top of the list.
Auction hopes to take advantage not just of Google's cash, but of its digital marketing and product development. And while the vast majority of its residential properties are foreclosures, as that pile shrinks, its commercial side is growing. Sources at Google Capital say commercial real estate is their primary focus in the deal, especially Auction's ability to level the playing field for smaller investors.
We have a marketplace effect. People bidding on $50 million apartment buildings, $25 million malls, and these sellers become your buyers. We have a marketplace effect. We have billions of dollars of liquidity coming to auction.com with millions of users.
Given the amount of real-time buying and selling Auction's website sees, the information the company has could be very valuable. But sources at Google say this is not product integration, just a pure money play, and Frieden agreed.
Google's arguably one of the best data companies in the world, but that is not something that we would share with anybody other than auction.com.
Auction.com is, of course, not a public company, but Frieden says an IPO is not out of the question. As for now, it'll welcome a member of Google to its board and take the relationship from there. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Diana Olick in New York.